Here we're given this equation, x squared is equal to negative 12y. So you want to sketch the graph of this parabola, right? Which means we're going to have to find the vertex, the focus, and the directrix. Right? So we can see right away that the vertex is going to be at 0, 0, right? It's going to be at the origin. We can also tell that the x term is squared, right? So the quadratic term is the x term. That means that this parabola is going to open either up or down. Okay, and then lastly, we notice the negative here, right? So that narrows it down, right? So we know that this is a parabola that is going to open down. Okay, and the vertex is at the origin, right? All right. So then the next thing we want to do is find p. Okay, so how do we find p? Well, the quadratic term should be isolated, so the coefficient should be 1, which it is in this case. So then we set the coefficient of the linear term equal to 4p. Now, depending on which textbook you use, you could set the 4p equal to negative 12 or just 12. It doesn't really matter. Okay, just make sure you remember that this parabola is going to open down. Okay, so when we divide both sides by 4, we get p is equal to 3. Okay, so now we should have everything that we need to draw this parabola. Okay, so we know that the vertex is at 0, 0. So once again, we're just going to eyeball it. We know that this parabola is going to open down. We know that the vertex touches the origin at 0, 0. Okay. Now, how are we going to determine where the focus is, right? That's based on p, right? P is a distance. We want to go 3 units, okay, from the vertex inside the parabola, right? Remember, the focus is a point, right? The focus should be 3 units away inside the parabola. And similarly, then, the vertex should be 3 units away on the other side of the focus. Okay, remember the directrix is a line. Okay, so we want to go 3 units away and draw the line that way. Okay, so let's just summarize this, right? Where's the vertex? The vertex in this case is at 0, 0. Okay. The focus is going to be at 0, negative 3. And what about the directrix? Right, directrix once again is a line, so make sure you write it as a line. Okay, in this case, it's a horizontal line that crosses the y-axis at 3. So the equation of the line should be y is equal to 3.